Hey, let me show you two ways how we can turn off navbar on a Samsung A36 5G. So the first one, you can just simply, I'm going to show you step by step. So go to the settings and open notifications, go to the lock screen notifications, and once you actually turn them off, you will don't get this one. Take a look. It's not right here anymore. But the second way to do this, if you want to receive lock screen notifications, just turn them on back, and you have to go into lock screen and AOD, open navbar, and here you have to just unselect this for every application that you don't want to get on your lock screen. Just one by one, everything, the same for the media player and the current mode. And now as you can see, my clock application is still right here, it's running in the background, but I will don't get this navbar information. I will get the classic clock for sure, but it's not on the navbar.